Samsung Galaxy S23 series screen and body dimensions revealed, and we got something that most of the Galaxy users won't like from Samsung. Samsung is in our crosshairs this week as rumors have surfaced that next year Galaxy S23 will be minor upgrade at best. Samsung Galaxy S23 is promised to bring many new breakthroughs in all functions, performance and many other completely new upgrades in 2023. Galaxy S23 Ultra, Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Basic version will usually be the trail, and the new devices will be released next year. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be Samsung's first phone to have almost no visual change compared to the S22 Ultra. The S23 Ultra will look exactly like the S22 Ultra from the back and from the front, with the same 6.8-inch screen size, and the dimensions are the same as last year models with only slight change to top of the phone. Galaxy S23 Ultra will get some of the major upgrade in cameras, and storage options is also getting an upgrade, which makes the Galaxy S23 Ultra the fastest storage phone of the next year. Because we are going to get a UFS 4.0 which is twice as fast as UFS 3.1, Samsung will be fully focused on the things that we want them to improve, like software, battery life, performance. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be equipped with the most advanced specifications with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 12 Generation OLED display, 12 GB of RAM and with many memory capacity options. It comes with Dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with a resolution of 1440 by 3088 pixels QHD+ with a screen refresh rate 120 Hz per second, and a larger Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max fingerprint scanner under the display, and using a sensor manufactured by Samsung itself called ISOCELL HB2. One major change for the S23 generation is that it will use exclusively Snapdragon chipsets. Analysts have been saying it for a while, and Qualcomm itself strongly hinted at the change. It was also previously revealed that the Samsung might ditch the use of Exynos chipset due to the new partnership program with Qualcomm. Ice Universe says that with 100% certainty that the S23 Ultra will retain the same camera design as the S22 Ultra, which is actually a great, because in my opinion it's the best looking camera setup out there. Perhaps the size of the lenses may get bigger because of the new 200 megapixel sensor. As anticipated, this model's design would change slightly from that of the current generation. Other speculation claims that it won't be too awful and that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will resemble the S22 Ultra. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.